Hello students, in this video I am going to explain trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So some specific means here we will get the ratio about 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Okay, so let us see them. Here trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. So they took here one triangle and they derived the ratios. So no need of derivation, just you should know how the answer came and the exact answer what they given here, that is sin 45 we will get here 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, that is also same, tan 45 is 1. Okay, so inverse of these three another three ratios we will get, those are cosec 45 that is 1 by sin 45 that is equal to root 2, sec 45 that is 1 by cos 45 that is equal to root 2, and cot 45 is 1 by tan 45 which gives us 1. Okay, so these are specific sides ratio of angle 45 degree. So like that you will get 30 degree, 60 degree and for 0 and 90 degree. Okay, so directly they given all these in one table. Okay, so just you have to refer this table for the next exercise. Okay, so you have to by-heart this table. See here, it is very easy. So start from 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree and they given here sin A. So sin means sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Okay, so if you write this in reverse order, so you will get cos A. See here 1 is 1, root 2 is root 3 by root 2, next 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Okay, and for the tan you have to just divide by the sin by cos, 0 by 1 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 you will get 1 by root 3. 45 degree means tan 45 you will get 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 you will get 1, and tan 60 degree you have to divide root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 you will get root 3, and tan 90 degree you will get here 1 by 0 which is not a value, so we can write it as not defined. So you can't divide 1 by 0, so we can write here not defined. So for the next three ratios just you have to write the inverse of the first three. Okay, so by this way you have to by heart or keep remembering this table. So it is very useful to solve whole trigonometric exercises. Now exercise 11.2, here we have to evaluate the following in first one, sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Okay, so using the specific ratios we have to solve this one. Now sin 60, so go to the table, sin 60, where is that, root 3 by 2. Okay, so here write it, root 3 by 2, so it will be into cos 30, cos 30 that is root 3 by 2, cos 30 that is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30, sin 30 that is 1 by 2 into cos 60, cos 60 that is also 1 by 2. Okay, root 3 into root 3 it will be root 3 whole square, we will get here 3, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into 1 1, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so denominator is same, no need of changing that 4, and here 3 plus 1, so here we will get 4 by 4. So if you divide it by 4 we will get here 1, so our final answer is 1. Now 2 tan square 45, so 2 tan square 45, where is that, see here, tan 45 that is 1, so square is there, so make it square, 1 square, plus cos square 30 means cos 30, cos 30 that is root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2, here square is there, so make it square, minus sin square 60. Okay, sin 60 that is root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, see here plus is there, here minus is there, and both numbers are same, they are additive inverse, so you will get here 0, they will get cancelled. What left? 2 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 2, so our final answer is 2. Now cos 45, okay, cos 45, go to the table, cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. Next sec 30 degree, 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30, so cosec 30 is 2. So now taking here 1 by root 2 same, next root 3 and here it will be 2 by 1, so root 3 will be our LCM, so 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3, okay, so it will be 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3, okay, so now root 3 into root 3 and here 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2 into, see, root 2 into root 3, it will be root 6. So this is our final answer. But in your textbook they made it rationalization, here 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 is there, so I will multiply this 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 whole divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, okay. Now root 3 into root 2, it will be 2 root 6 minus root 3 into root 3, it will be 2 root 3 6 are 18 whole divided by here 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, a plus b, a minus b, it will be 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square, okay. So solving this 2 root 6 minus 2, I will write it as 18 as 9 into 2 whole divided by 2 root 2 whole square will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, okay. Why I took it as 6? Because root and square will get cancelled, it will be 6 and 2 square is 4, 4 6 are 24, okay. Now taking here 2 common, what left? Root 6 minus, see this 9 becomes outside, so it will be 3 root 2, 3 root 2 whole divided by 8 minus 6 24, it will be 16, okay. With 16 minus 16, 2 1s are 2 8s, here minus is there, so taking minus to numerator, so minus become plus, plus become minus, so it will be 3 root 2 minus root 6 whole divided by 8, so they kept denominator as a rational number, okay. So this is called rationalization, which you learnt in 9th class, so removing the roots from denominators, okay. So this is our final answer, 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. Now 5th question, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So using that table, first 5 into cos square 60, so cos 60 means what? Cos 60 will be 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into sec 30, sec square 30, that is 2 root 3 whole square minus tan 45 that is 1 square whole divided by sin square 30. So, sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30. So, cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. So, 5 into 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4, root 3 is 3 minus 1 whole divided by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square is root 3 and square will get cancelled 3 and 2 square is 4. Okay, 5 ones are 5 by 4 plus 4 fours are 16 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by, it will be 4 by 4. If you add the denominator side, 1 plus 3 it is 4, 4 no need of taking LCM, it will be 4, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So, now here we got denominator 1. Now taking the numerators only 5 by 4, 16 by 3 minus 1. So, taking the LCM, here we will get 12. 4 3 za 3, 4 za 1, 12 za. So, 5 3 za 15 plus 16 4 za 64 minus 12. So, add them first. 15 plus 64 it will be 79 minus 12 divided by 12. So, 9 minus 2 7, 7 minus 1 6. So, by 12. So, our final answer is 67 by 12. Okay. Here I directly took the fifth one, fourth one is for your practice. Now, second question, choose the correct option and justify your choice. Okay, they given here a equation we have to solve and choose the correct answer along with the justification. Justification is nothing but your calculation. Okay, first one 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. Okay, again go to that table, tan 30 that is 1 by root 3. So, using that 1 by root 3, so 2 into 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan square means 30 means here you have to write 1 by root 3 whole square. So, it will be 2 root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. Okay. So, 2 root 3 just continue that one. Here 1 plus 1 by 3. So, taking the LCM it will be 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So, taking to numerator here we will get 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So, here we got 3 by 2 root 3. Okay. So, we should not keep denominator as root 3. So, multiply this with root 3 by root 3. So, here we will get 3 root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 into root 3 it will be 3. Okay, 2 into 3. So, 3 get cancelled, what left? Root 3 by 2 left. Okay. Now, you see the options here they did not given root 3 by 2 as our option, but they given in the specific angle. Then which angle gives us root 3 by 2? Again you have to go back to the table. See here root 3 by 2 is there at cos 30 also and sin 60 also. Cos 30 is not there here, but sin 60 is there. So, that is why our answer is A. Now, second question, 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. So, then what is the tan 45? Tan 45 that is 1. So, using this 1, now we have to solve that one. So, substitute the 1 here, 1 minus tan 45 is 1 square, tan square is there. So, 1 square, 1 plus 1 square. See 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 it will be 0, So 1 plus 1 it will be 2. So 0 by 2. Okay. So 0 by 2, what you will get? Again you will get 0 only. So check the options. So in the option D is there. So our correct answer is D. So next, sin 2a equal to 2 sin a is true when a equal to. So try to substitute all values. When you will get the answer LHS equal to RHS, that one will be our answer. So it will be trial and error method. So here directly I am telling the answer, that is 0 degree. If you keep here 0, so 2 into 0 it will be 0 sin 0, and here 2 into sin 0. So sin 0 is 0. So here also 0, here also we will get 0. So 0 equal to 0, it means LHS equal to RHS. That's why it will be true when a equal to 0 degree. And fourth one is your for practice. Now I will going to solve the third one. Third main. They given tan a plus b equal to root 3, tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. So which specific angles gives us root 3 and 1 by root 3? Again check over the table. So tan 60 gives us root 3 and tan 30 gives us 1 by root 3. It means tan a plus b gives us tan 60, that is in place of a plus b we are getting, that is 60 degree. And here tan of a minus b we are getting tan 30. It means a minus b equal to 30. Okay. So solving equation 1 and 2. Okay. So how to solve? Just you have to substitute the any one values in another one. So I will take here from 2 a equal to 30 plus b. Okay. So now substituting in the 1. Now substituting this in 1. So that is in place of a I will write 30 plus b, again plus b is there, equal to 60. So taking 30 to that side, here b plus b it will be 2b and 60 minus 30. So that will be again 30, and if I take 2 that side it will become divisible. So 30 by 2. So this 2 becomes divisible. 2 1s are 2 15s are. So now we got b equal to 15 degree. So if b is 15 degree, then from 1 a plus b is how much? 15 equal to 60. So a equal to 60 minus 15. So it will be 45 degree. So angle A is 45 degree. So a equal to 45, b equal to 15. So this is our final answer. Next, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers. So go through the PDF and do yourself.